In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an oxtail dish for dinner. I'm going to marinate the oxtail with salt, sugar, garlic powder, soy sauce, cornstarch and cooking oil. Add a little water into the marinade and then mix the marinade with the oxtail. Put a little oil into the pot and then put all the oxtail with the marinade into the pot and then turn on the fire. Grill the oxtail brown one side at a time. All sides of the oxtail are grilled to brown now. Add some water into the pot to prepare it to cook for a couple hours. By grilling the meat to brown, you are sealing the marinade into the meat. Otherwise, when you add water, the marinade may get washed away from the meat. Now I transfer the pot from this big burner to a smaller burner. It is because the oxtail needs slow fire to cook for 2 hours. Now I turn on the fire for this smaller burner. Set the fire to medium and then cover the pot. Wait until the water is boiling, then set the fire to medium-low. The oxtail needs to cook for 2 hours at medium-low fire. Come back in half an hour to check to make sure the water is not drying up. Then continue cooking for another 1.5 hours. Now I am preparing some hard-boiled egg. After the egg is cooked, remove the egg shell. Put the egg into the oxtail and submerge the egg into the sauce. Cover the pot and continue cooking with the egg in it. After 2 hours of cooking, the oxtail is soft enough and tastes good.